What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and it's an exciting day. As you can tell from the thumbnail, the Honor Magic V6 Chinese version is available for pre-order on the Average Dad Tech store now. Let's go! So before we talk about price and shipping date, I think it's important we discuss two major topics. Number one, the V6 specifications, and number two, what owning a Honor Chinese ROM device, like this Magic 8 RSR, actually means compared to a global version. So first of all, let's talk about the specs. And we have to start with the dimensions, which on the V6 have actually changed from the Honor Magic V5, the predecessor. This year we're getting a thinner and lighter but larger phone. Yes, Honor have chosen to go slightly bigger on display sizes on the outer and inner, at 7.95 inches for the inner and 6.52 inches for the outer, giving it a slightly wider aspect ratio on the front, making it more like a flagship candy bar style phone, and I'm all for it. I've said many times, give me an ultra size phone on the outer and a 9-inch inside if that's what it takes. Also give me ultra cameras, but we'll talk about them soon. Now, Honor have also made the V6 the world's first IP68/69 water and dust resistant foldable phone. I know most of you watching don't care, but folks, if you've been on the foldable grind like I have for years, having this durability, this ingress protection, peace of mind on a foldable phone is game changing. So kudos to Honor, as always, for being the first. Now, the V6 will actually also be the first to have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. Yes, the world's most powerful system on a chip is coming to the Honor Magic V6 first. Now, of course, very soon after you'll have the N6 and other foldables, but Honor will be the first. Now, moving on from the dimensions, let's talk about the battery, because to power for the slightly bigger display, we need a bigger battery, and Honor have delivered. On your 256GB and 0.5 terabyte storage version, you're getting a 6660 mAh cell with 80 watts wire charging and 66 watts wireless using Honor's proprietary wireless charger. But there's an added bonus. For those that choose to go full Buna, to go for the 1 terabyte version, you're getting a 7150 mAh cell on the Chinese version. It's important to note, this is only the Chinese version. The global version in the UK and Europe and some other parts of Asia will not be out till August. So we are 4, maybe even 5 months away from the global release, and that will not come with a 7000 mAh plus battery. So there's very much a theme here so far, and it's upgrades. In every single area, Honor have upgraded, and we've not even talked about the hinge or crease, should I say lack of crease. The hinge itself in the keynote, the launch event I went to, was very much front and centre in terms of toughness. What they done this time, rather than hanging a London telephone box from it, they just hang a human from it and got him to go down a zip wire. Yes, using only the hinge to hold on to. Obviously there was a tether there in case it did break, but the hinge held the guy up and he zip-lined. Super impressive. I need you to really think about that. The strength of this hinge can hold a human. That's madness to me. Now, the final key highlight headline spec area is of course the cameras, and unless I'm misremembering, because according to GSM Arena this isn't right, but I'm sure I'm right, and you will damn sure let me know in the comments. The main lens is now a 200 megapixel 1/1.4 inch sensor. The telephoto lens sticks with the 60 more megapixels but is a slightly larger sensor than on the V5. Then you've got the 50 megapixel ultrawide. I said last year, and I'll say it again, the Honor Magic V5, so in turn the V6 this year, is the closest any manufacturer has come to a flagship camera system. Vivo came very close, but Honor slightly pips it. And I believe the V6 will continue to be the flagship camera system on any foldable phone in 2026. So that's all the highlighted specs. Now I want to talk about the second area that you should definitely know about, and it's the Chinese ROM versus the global ROM. Luckily for you, Honor do things right, because this Honor Magic 8 RSR is Chinese, but out the box, Google Play services just need turned on. Android Auto is already there. Google Pay works seamlessly. Notifications come through on the lock screen, on your notification shade. No workarounds whatsoever. The only thing that I've ever noticed that doesn't work, because it does connect to my Tag Heuer connected smartwatch as well, the only thing that doesn't work with a Chinese version of any phone seems to be eSIM. But stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, because very soon I will be working with a company that offers a physical SIM with eSIM capabilities. I know that sounds odd, but again, stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see what I mean soon. So, in terms of a global version versus the Chinese version of an Honor device, there's basically no difference. Now that leads us nicely on to the biggest difference that doesn't relate to the phone specs. It's the price. Now, going by the past 3 years, the Chinese version of the V series is always around 250 GBP to £300 cheaper than the global version. Well, I am delighted to say that this year the same rings true. You can pick up any of the storage variants in any colours, including the stunning red colour, through the Average Dad Tech Store. Now, prices change between storage variant and bank transfer method, because if you choose to pay by bank transfer, on the product page select yes for bank transfer and it automatically deducts 5%. Yes, 5% off the total. So when you go to checkout, your 5% has been taken off already. Simply transfer the remaining balance to my account details, which will be shown on the screen, and you will be emailed them. That's it. So, if you want to be one of the first to own an Honor Magic V6 for far less than £1,400, shipping starts the 17th of March. We will have orders shipping out. Now, pre-orders are open. As far as I've been told from suppliers, there's no limitation on stock, but we also have to manage the stock and we can't take in thousands of orders. So we have capped the initial batch at 100 orders. You don't have to be quick, you don't have to rush. I'm just letting you know, if you go to the site in the next few days and you can't pre-order, it's because we've sold the 100 and we're waiting to see how those 100 go, and then we'll add unlimited numbers after that. So that's everything you need to know about the V6. To reiterate, this is the Chinese version. When the global version comes out, I will be working with Honor on reviewing that device. But as mentioned, it's a good few months down the line. So if you've enjoyed this video, smash like. If you're interested in picking up the V6, the link to the Average Dad Tech Store is in the description. And until next time.